Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a warm chicken crack dip. My mom has made another kind of crack dip that has sausage in it, but this one is chicken. So we're giving it a try, and it has other ingredients, like different ingredients from the other crack dip. Anywho, we're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. I think it was from some site called plainchicken.com, maybe, something like that. Anyway, my mom will put it in there. But man, this smells good. There's cheese in it. There's sour cream. There's cream cheese. And my mom used the new Philadelphia non-dairy cream cheese. So we're giving that a try. So anyway, it smells and sounds really good. It's got bacon. You know how much I love bacon. So we're going to give this a try. And you could use it for the Monday meal or for Taco Tuesday if you want. So hopefully you guys will give this a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Happy Monday! Chef Yoda the dog out.
As Yoda the dog said, we are making some warm cracked chicken dip for the Monday meal. Ooh, this could also be used for Taco Tuesday, though. We love dips on Tuesday with chips. Okay, so we're using the slow cooker function on our Instapot. I'm going to put a link to this recipe below. I think it's called like plainchicken.com is where I got it from. But anyway, it says to cook in the oven. I would prefer to just warm it up all together in a slow cooker. So that's what I'm doing. I did an hour on high. And then when you're doing the slow cooker function, you always want it to be on venting your Instapot. And here is what we've got in here. Here's what it looks like, the before. It is 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're using our Philadelphia plant-based, no dairy cream cheese. Gonna try that out, see how it goes. 2 cans of chicken breast. We used a cup of ranch dressing. You're supposed to use an ounce ranch dressing mix package or something, but we didn't do that. We're using a cup of ranch dressing. And then we used a cup of real bacon bits. And then 16-ounce container of sour cream. I'm using Daisy because it's just cream, no milk. So if you're allergic to dairy, you can have full-fat cream, butter, things that are just the fat, but you cannot have it mixed with any skim milk, so light sour cream doesn't work. Most other sour cream brands do not work. It has to be Daisy original, pure and natural. So I just squeezed this whole pouch in there. And then I use this whole bag of Violife cheddar shreds because you use 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. So that is what is in here. That is all that was required to be in here. So we're going to see how this tastes. We're going to put our lid on. And really, it's just got to heat up. It's not going to take a full hour. I put it on an hour, but it really just has to heat up. So again, venting, slow cook function on high. We're just going to let it all heat together, and then we'll show you the finished product. All right, everyone. It has been an hour on high in the slow cooker, and this is the finished product. It is delicious. Warm chicken crack dip. Nummy, nummy. We're going to serve ours with Fritos. So enjoy. Happy Monday.